United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 212. Pollution from or through the atmosphere. 1. States shall adopt laws and regulations to prevent, reduce and control pollution of the marine environment from or through the atmosphere, applicable to the airspace under their sovereignty, and to vessels flying their flag or vessels or aircraft of their registry, taking into account internationally agreed rules, standards and recommended practices and procedures, and the safety of air navigation. 2. States shall take other measures as may be necessary to prevent, reduce and control such pollution. 3. States, acting especially through competent international organizations or diplomatic conference, shall endeavor to establish global and regional rules, standards and recommended practices and procedures to prevent, reduce and control such pollution.